In northwest Indiana, this is a viaduct in Munster. You can see a car way in the distance on the other side apparently got stuck in the water. Remember, officials always warn drivers not to try to drive through those flooded roads.
And the line of heavy rain and strong winds slamming several south suburbs as the storm pushed east. It left streets flooded in the areas of Tinley Park and Harvey. Police had to block some roads covered with standing water, but several people did try to drive through those flooded areas. Further west of the storms causing more destruction. WGN's Gaynor Hall is live from Shorewood with the latest on the damage. Gaynor.
Yeah, Pat, Jackie, check this out. This shed was knocked over, destroyed when the storm hit Shorewood this afternoon. Quick and furious. Cell phone video shows the intense storm as it blew through Shorewood, sending residents scrambling to their basements.
We were in the backyard and all of a sudden we were sitting on the porch and the rain just started coming from all different directions and the power lines blew and we ran into the house. It was like a giant blue flash.
A look at the damage along Sile Road. Massive trees uprooted, a shed completely toppled, down power lines and scattered shingles.
It got really black. She was painting kindness rocks, and then it started drizzling. We heard thunder and it started drizzling, but we were outside still. But then we moved inside because we didn't want to get hit by the storm. And after a few minutes, it started pouring, and my grandma wanted me to move away from the window, and that's when the sirens went off, and we all went into the basement.
In Joliet, the sounds of the cleanup already underway. Some areas seeing flash flooding as severe weather leaves quite a mark on the holiday weekend.
Never seen anything like that before. It was pretty crazy.
So lots of cleaning up to do tonight, but we aren't hearing any reports of any injuries here. Reporting live from Streamwood, Gaynor Hall, WGN News. We'll send it back to you in the studio.
Good to hear that. Thank you.